Alright Shane, next up is the position control. Now as you can see, this is our position control GUI, just here. We use a PID controller algorithm to control our position controller. Now these are our optimized KP, KI and KD values. Through lots of testing, lots of tuning, these are the fastest and almost optimized values for our gripper. Now just over here is the actual separation for the distance of the gripper. Now you'll see what this means in just a moment. Up here is the position control slider. As you can see, it starts at 0 and we adjust its position from the 0 point that we define. Now here is the current position slider that shows exactly where the gripper is, but this is mostly for user friendliness. Up here is a more precise position controller. Now if we move it to 20, you can see the red here is the desired position, and the white is the actual gripper position that has been sensed by the sensors. Now if I do an actual step response, you can see how it actually performs. I do a large step response, another large one. Now you can see that it moves at maximum speed all the way up to the last moment, and then it tapers off with no offshoot. Now this is the best response we could possibly get with our controller, and honestly, just intuitively you can see that it can't get any faster than that. Now if we go down to set it to the 0 position, we can go down to the gripper, we can see that it starts at about 18mm as an offset. This is what we meant earlier as the actual gripper separation distance. We have set this as a 0 point, and this is by choice. This can be changed to actual 0 value. Now if I zero at this point, for the sake of proofing of our accuracy, set to 0, and I move the gripper up here to 30mm, I remeasure from the 0 point. It's almost bang on 30. Now we're about 0.4 of a millimeter out, perhaps, but the measurement process alone produces a lot of error. Now, if I move the gripper out to 60, and back down to 15, and then back to the 0 position, you can see that if I remeasure it, almost back to 0 again. Now I'll move the gripper again just to show you its dynamic response. This is a slider. Now if it hits the mechanical stop at one end, now if I hit the mechanical stop at the other end, you see how it works pretty damn well. See, it's actually hit the end. This is a mechanical stop. And guess what? It moves perfectly. No damage to the system. No damage can be done to the system. Thank you.